Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CapCut templates and auto captions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the CapCut app on your device. Start by selecting a new project from the main screen. Import the video you want to edit by tapping the import button. Once your video is loaded, look for the templates option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on templates to explore available options. Scroll through the template gallery to find one that suits your project. When you find a template you like, tap on it to preview the details. If satisfied, click the Use Template button to apply it to your video. Next, proceed to customize any aspects of the template, such as text or effects. To enable auto captions, return to the main editing screen. Locate the text option in the menu. Tap on text, then select auto captions. Choose the language for your captions from the available options. Tap Generate to create the captions automatically. Once the captions are generated, review them for accuracy. Make any necessary edits by tapping on the captions directly. After finalizing the captions, position them on the screen as desired. Save your project by selecting the Export button. Choose your preferred video quality and format before exporting. Wait for the export process to complete, and your video is ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.